Are you still picking random workout videos off of YouTube and hoping for the best? Well, let's fix that. I've got a plan for you, a real program, one that is free, simple, and accessible to everyone right here on YouTube. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we hit those weights. And on Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays, it is cardio time. If you're not fond of the type of cardio that's offered on that day, you could always choose from any of the hundreds of cardio workouts on my channel. And Sunday is for active recovery or rest. Okay, this is how it works. The live stream workouts in the 9 a.m. Eastern Time hour are the program. Can't do it live? You can fit these workouts into your schedule whenever is right for you. All the workouts are available on the videos tab on my YouTube channel. It's like having group fitness right in your own home. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right now or take all of the guest workout and head over to cdornerfitness.com for all the details. I'll see you for a live workout soon. Let's make your workouts work for you.